books. You have submitted your books in school for correction. So just look on the screen. It will be easy for you to understand. We will study about desktop and its components today. So when we switch on a computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called desktop. Then various components of desktop. First one is icons. These are small pictures labeled or symbols present on the desktop, that is only known as icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. You can understand this with the help of an example. See, if you go to your kitchen, then if you open the cupboard, then so many items are there labeled with different names on different boxes. So in like that only in computer system also you can see different type of icons for different things. See, you can see clearly picture is given to you on your screen. So next one is about Windows taskbar. So the taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop, as you can see in the figure also. It is divided into the following sections. So first one is a start button. You can see. So the start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When you click on the start button, the list of options appear. This list is called start menu. You can see side option is given. You can use start button to perform common tasks such as starting a program, searching files and folders, shutting down computer, and many much more things. You can find File Explorer settings and a list of most commonly used apps on the left side of your start menu. So these things we can do by the help of start button. At very first you can see start button. By this only you can go to different functions. So our next topic is see how different files and folders it is opening. You can see. Then one more thing, if you want to open your start button and you want a shortcut, then just press window key and type the command which you want to open. So this is a fact, you should know it. Next one is the middle section. The middle section of the bar shows the open programs as buttons. Here you may add commonly used program. So program you have used, you can add here, such as Internet Explorer, Word program, Windows Media Player, then etc. Then they can be opened with a single click. When a program is active, its icon is highlighted in a lighter shade with a bar below it. So when some program is opened, no, it is lighter in shade, so that you can identify that you have opened it. So next one is the notification area. The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area. See, with red color it is marked. So it includes your clock, group of icons. So it is easy for you to identify. Suppose software updates, network connectivity, battery volume, these things you can see here only. The peak button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. Then click this button to minimize all the opened up program windows and view the desktop.